Hi guys! Ito po, nagpe-prepare kami. Pupunta kami kila Uncle Jerry. Nagwawalis muna ako dito. Maga pa po. Oras na. 8:45 AM. Gagawa lang ako ng sandwich kasi mahal yung mga tinda dun sa McDonald's. Ito po, meron pang bread pudding. Dadala namin si Uncle Jerry. Na mga gugustuhan niya to. At gagawa po ako ng egg sandwich. Kasi po, maluluma lang yung tinapay dito pagka iniwan namin. So, might as well gumawa ng sandwich para may makain kami ni Grandad sa kotse halfway through. Babaon po ako ng sarili kong kutsara at tinidor. Bakit? Kasi hindi ko type yung kanilang kutsara at tinidor. Medyo dugyot si Uncle Jerry. Plastic spoon, pangkaskas ng tang. Hindi ko nadadalhin yung original ko. Pagka nagsusupilyo po. Ganyan tayo makisama. Pagka ang bibisitahin ay dugyot, dapat dugyot din kayo. Diba? Isang salawa lang, pero maraming panty liners. Isang ganito lang, natatakpan naman ng jacket, at walang ligo-ligo. Ganyan talaga. Kaya dapat kahit saan kayo makarating, adjustable ang inyong sarili. Hindi sila mag-a-adjust, di ba? Dapat tayo mag-a-adjust. Hindi nga naliligo yung pupuntahan. Ikaw, ligo yan ligo. Diba? Baka sabihin, ako nga hindi ko ginagamit yung tubig namin. Ikaw, ligo na ligo. Ano pa? Butter. Nagdala ng sariling butter. Kasi ayoko gamitin yung butter niya. Butter mo, dalhin mo. Ano pa madadala dito? Itong cake ko, nagdala ng mayonnaise. Ang thermos. Nasaan na yung thermos? Ito. Para sa coffee ni Grandad. So, tatry lang po namin kung paano mag-drive yung bagong kotse. Try namin sa highway. Long drive test. Nagdala din po ako ng sapin sa bed kasi meron silang bed, kaya lang tuwing pupunta kami, iyon at iyon din ang sapin. Parang hindi nilalaban. So, kami na nga bibisita, namimintas pa no? Yun ang obserbasyon ko eh. So, kaya nagdala ko ng sarili naming bedsheet at sapin sa punda para kung may residue man ng laway na panis, safe ako. Kasi si Grandad, okay lang sa kanya. Pinsa naman niya yun eh. Dalian natin, baka tayo ma-traffic. Dadalhin ko po yung aking laptop kasi doon ako nag-e-edit eh. Minsan po naantala yung aking pag-e-edit kasi pagka merong mga pupuntahan, ganyan. Tell them where we're going.
We're off on our globe trotting today, up north to Preston in Lancashire. Oh, here we go.
You look like Uncle Jerry.
Thank you very much.
Ayan po, dalhin ang mga mapapanis, maluluma. Ayan guys, papunta na po kami kay Uncle Jerry. Ayan po, nagko-concentrate yung driver, kaya huwag natin kulitin. Nasa highway na po kami. At tinatry namin yung bagong kotse. Kung maganda bang i-drive sa long drive. Ayan po guys, nagpark muna kami dito sa service. Jijingle muna kami.
Yeah.
Mura lang, oh. Ang kapal. Panlalaki. Parang airport, ano? Can I have 2 of that, please? Thank you. Can I have 1 Pepsi Max, please? Take away.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Much more relaxed now. Oh my God, seagulls attacking us. Being attacked by seagulls now.
That's luck.
Huh?
That's lucky.
You reckon? Not if you're walking underneath it, it ain't. Should we go?
Ayan guys, nandito na po kami sa bahay ni Uncle Jerry. Anin mo ang bahay kung ang nakatira ay kwago.
What kind of a haircut's this?
It's a drastic one.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, you don't like the haircut then?
Chicken for dinner?
Oh, dinner, look. Chicken. So are you gonna carve it?
I'm gonna draw it, cut it out, paint it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put steak in it,
Yeah.
and it's going in the garden.
Nice.
I'm gonna do a few things like that for the garden.
To scare the birds.
No, that's scary.
This.
Oh, that's how you do it. Put a bit of carbon paper underneath it and then draw around it. Clever. I'm going to bed. I'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, I'm I'll see you later.
Okay. I'm going to bed now. Should I turn off the light?
Go on.
Okay. Every time we come here, it looks like we are mesmerized, huh? Hi guys! Ito po, punta kami sa palengke.
Now take the second left.
Second left. Is that down there? Yeah, it must be.
That's for Preston, yeah.
It's cold now.
We use that on it.
We'll probably go for a coffee once we have a little walk round, right? So then we'll come and find you. I've got my phone.
Okay. Seven slices of boiled ham, please. 2 pieces of this, please.
Cheers. Yeah, thanks. Can I have 4 best black puddings, please? That's it, thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
What's that? What for?
The van. You know when you get in the side door, really high step, in it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. How much?
£3 each. You do the job. They're all full fresh. They come with a
You have single? Do you have single?
Single here. Cotton. Full sets. That comes with sheet, duvet cover and pillowcase.
Parang walang kapartner, eh dalawa kami. Parang manipis, ano?
You better picture on the back. Better picture on the back.
Kala niya, nagtitake ako ng picture. Video po ito. Para kang nasa Greece, pagka ganyan. You have no partner of this? We are 2 people.
What? 2 single?
Yeah, the same.
No, not them, no.
Ganyan-ganyan ka ng balikat. Parang wala akong magagawa. Walang kwenta. Wala yung mga ukay-ukay. Ito para kay Granddad. Tara na tayo ay makaka-copyright. There are 2 different kinds of butter, right?
We have the whey butter, that's salted, that's the handmade.
I'll try one of these. What is that? Also butter?
Yeah.
Also
that's
homemade?
Local, yeah.
I'll try one.
Try one.
Small one. That's it.
Right? Yeah.
Dito na naman tayo. Can I have 1 dozen, please? Ayun o, may buto-buto o. Kaya nilaga na naman. Minsan punong-puno ng tao dito. Balik tayo dito. Ang liit-liit ng slice, $3.30. Mura sa amin. At habang kumakanta si Madonna,
When you're on the side door. What, you done? That's quick.
let's go.
Let's go.
Bulaga, nakalimutan kita. Kaya pala sabi ko, nasaan yung cellphone ko? Yung pala naiwan ko dun sa boot ng kotse. Oh my Lord!
I'm also thinking of going to the library, see what they've got.
That's an idea. Good idea. So. Oh, rolling road.
Ayan po, alis na kami.
You can come down to us. Where? To pick up your computer and to do my game. Right.
It'll be after Easter.
I don't like automatics, and the MG was an automatic. It was too heavy on petrol. Yeah, and although this is a modern car, it's not as complicated. The heating controls are down there. A knob, on, off. That's all you need. See you later.
Magkapatid po yan.
Off we go.
Bye! Thank you! Ayan po, kagigising lang namin. Hit the road again, Jack.
Yeah, hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you come back no more.
Why? Tell them.
It's bloody cold. No heating.
He's a little bit nuts, right?
Huh?
He's a little bit nuts.
Mm. I think he's nuts. He's just losing his marbles, I think. Getting old, isn't he?
Ito, kwento ko kayo. Nung first night, -3 dito, -3 degrees. So, expected namin, naka-on yung heater niya. Tapos hindi niya ina-on. Hanggang sa matutulog na kami, hindi pa rin niya ina-on yung heater. Tulog na siya, kami ginaw na ginaw. lalo ako. So lumabas ako dun sa living room ng 1 AM. Nagstay muna ako doon. Naka-jacket ako. Naka-jacket kami habang natutulog. Parang naiilang siya na sabihin na i-turn on yung heater. So, hindi na ako nakatiis. Sabi ko, Jerry, can you turn on the heater? Please. Please, turn on the heater. When you come to our place, we turn on the heater for you. Turn on the heater now, please. Please, I beg of you. I told him. Tapos, inon niya yung heater. Hindi na ako nakatiis eh. Kasi ito, hindi niya masabi-sabi. Ewan ko sa kanila. Ako! Sabi ko, here is £5 for tonight's electric. Take it, take it. Ayaw naman. Parang napahiya pa nga. Buti naman. Kasi sabi niya, matipid daw. So, binibigyan ko ng £5. Pagka siya nasa amin, parang we treat him like a prince. So, sit back and relax. And we're going home, finally. What do you call that when you were freezing and
Hypothermia.
I almost got hypothermia there.
Please turn right after 300 yards on